Yes, so today's grammar part is subject plus modal plus verb plus object. You are going to frame sentences using this. Okay, let us see this. I may clean my room. So, who is doing the action here? I. I is the subject. And what is the action? Clean. So, clean is a verb. May is a modal. And my room is the object. I may, subject, modal, verb, clean, my room, object. So that is how you have to frame sentences. You can frame your own sentences. Can, could, cannot, may. You can use all those words and you can use your own sentences. Now open syllable. What is open syllables? Actually syllables are you with the sounds of the words, the vowels. Based on the vowels you split the words into how you pronounce the word. Based on that you split the word into parts, that is syllables. A word can be monosyllable, bisyllable, trisyllable, like that many are there. Here it is all the words given are two syllable words. Okay, so how will you break into syllables? Based on the vowels. Spider, I, E are the vowels here. So in between I and E only D is there. So D will go with the second one, second syllable. So spider. இப்போ ஐக்கு அப்புறமா வந்து கான்சனன்ட் கிடையாது. ஆஃப்டர் ஐ there is no consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant அப்படி இருந்தால் தான் closed syllable. After the I there is no consonant, so it is an open syllable. Breaking the words into syllables, here they are open syllable words. Next word you will see spider. Broken, O, E are vowels and in between O and E you have only K, only one syllable, one letter is there, so your consonant is there. So how will you break it? It will go with the second one. So broken. So this O will be open. After O there is no consonant. So O is an open. Bro is an open syllable. Next donut. Donut, for that D-O-O. Okay. After D-O-U. Together you call D-O-U-G-H. But the G-H does not have any sound, is silent. Nut. So donut is open syllable. You don't have, that is the silent letters. So you don't take it as a consonant here. Okay. Silent words. Bonus. O, U are the vowels, in between you have N. So N will go with the second one. Robust. Robust. Okay. After the O, U, in between you have B, and after that O there is no consonant. Then wider. After the I there is no consonant. Wider. These are all open syllables. Fiber. Fiber. Minus. That is how you have to separate vowels. In between vowels you split, and if the second the only one consonant is there, it will go with the second syllable. Is it clear? Next one is how you have to make sentences using can. It is very easy. What you see in the picture, it is given wrongly in the lead video. Please change the answers. They are telling wrongly. There is a mistake. It is actually they have used may, but actually what is given here, make sentence using the modal word can. Can use பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So strike off the may and use can. He can hit the ball. I can buy fruits. Any sentence you can write. Even you can change the sentence, but you should use can. The word can should be there. That's all. Okay. Seeing the picture, you can change it. And this open syllable I already told you. Next is how to write the beginning, middle and end of a story. Okay, first is the Bhagat Singh story. They are given here. How to write the first, what is the beginning, and next is middle, what will come, what are the things will come, end is the conclusion of the story. Okay, beginning, middle, end. Already we learned how the 5 elements of a story we use and write this. Okay, story clues, what I already know. Conclusion. First, for example, story clues, he inspired people across India to fight against the British. So what I already know, India got freedom from the Britishers. Okay, and what I conclude, Bhagat Singh played an important role in India's freedom. Okay, it's very easy. If you read that 1 or 2 times, you will understand. Thank you, children.